In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect and pair your Shokz OpenDots 2 to your smart TV. Now, this is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply start by navigating to your Bluetooth settings. Now, different TVs have different ways of you navigating to Bluetooth settings, so you can go ahead and do so. And then once you're in your Bluetooth settings on your TV, sorry, let me just go back home. Once you're in your Bluetooth settings, now all you need to do is simply put your buds in pairing mode. Now putting this in pairing mode is fairly simple. Just open up the case like so. And then at the back of the case, you should see this pairing mode button. So all you're going to do is simply long press on that button until the indicator lights start blinking rapidly between green and red. Once they do that, it means it's in pairing mode. So you can now go back to your Bluetooth settings on your smart TV and look for your buds under the list of available devices. So go ahead and select it. Confirm that you wish to pair and connect. And then once it says connected, you can now be able to use the buds to listen to any audio coming from your smart TV. So whatever it is you're doing, whether watching a movie, a video on Netflix, or even just gaming, you should be able to listen to any audio coming from or through the buds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.